Okay, dear students, today I am going to start chapter number 7. The name of the chapter is Indian Economy. Okay, in this chapter we will just discuss about our ancient India. So India has a glorious past and largest democracy in the world. To review the progress made during the planning period in Indian economy, okay, and one must look in the glorious past of India. To know the situation of Indian economy, one should go in the pre-Mughal period in ancient India. At that time, India possessed a special in agriculture, industry, and trade sectors. India was known as a golden bird, like in Sone ki Chidiya, due to its prosperity, right? Mughals attacked India many times because they were attracted due to its prosperity. They looted the wealth of India and taking advantage of the weakness of Indian kings, they captured power too. Okay. During 1757 to 1857, like East India Company got support from the British rulers and succeeded with a high degree in capturing the power in major Indian territories. After 1858, Britishers become the rulers of India, and until 1947, so Ancient India means Hindustan. Ancient India means there were two great Asian cultures. The first one is Indus Valley culture, and the second one is Aryan culture, mate, right? India was a leading country among the most Asian cultures, of which the evidences are available in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. In ancient India, various religions, cultures, and languages were existent, but unity in diversity was the most important, especially of India. At that time, India was a quite prosperous culture and self-reliant, though the agriculture was the prime economic activity, as we all know that most of the 75% of the population is totally dependent upon our agriculture sector, and many small scale and cottage industries were developed. Okay. So when we talk about the agriculture sector, we all know that the share of agriculture sector in India national income and employment has been decreasing during the planning period due to the development of industrial and service sector, right? In spite of this, agriculture sector plays an important the Indian economy. The share of agriculture sector in the national income and employment was 14% and 49% respectively. It means that this sector provides half of the employment to the nation. The performance of Indian economy depends on the performance of the agriculture sector at that time, right? The general price level is also affected by the prices of agricultural commodities. Therefore, it is said that agriculture sector is the backbone of the Indian economy.